fellow cooking students. Today's episode is about how to make the best pesto pasta ever. Remember that I'm gonna leave all the ingredients in the description box below, and also make sure to share this recipe with your friends and family. Step 1. Cook your pasta. Basically, you can use any pasta of your liking for this, but I'm using a fettuccine number 233 from manchego, and now, well, just cook that as instructed in your package. Step 2. Pesto time. Mix your fresh basil, your chopped walnuts, parmesan or manchego cheese, some garlic, salt and pepper to taste, and your olive oil. Here's another life hack. You can add more or less quantity of any given ingredient in any recipe, and in that way, you can start creating that cooking sense on what to put or not to put in a recipe, depending on your likings, of course. It also helps you create unique recipes and develops your own cooking flavor. So here, as you can see, I'm not actually measuring anything on this recipe. I'm just adding whatever feels right for me, Still, I'm gonna leave all the exact measurements in the description box below, just in case you want to check them out. We're almost done with the pesto. Now you just gotta blend everything by 2 impulses. Otherwise, you're just gonna overheat the basil and it's gonna make our pesto taste bitter. Step 3. Presentation. And that's it! You've got yourself the best and easiest pesto pasta ever. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Please don't forget to leave your comments and questions down below, like and share this video, subscribe, and I'll see you next Monday. Ciao!